Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video again from Bead. They had a dollar sale going on, and you know I had to hit that up. So they also have free shipping over $35. I don't know how it happened. Everything, like I got the notification that they had the dollar sale. I put like 39 things in my cart, and then when I went to check out, 4 of those things were already sold out. So it turned out to be exactly $35. I thought that was pretty awesome. I just got, some things that I normally wouldn't get because they're not a dollar, but they were a dollar here, so I got them. First thing was this opaque frosted gray seed bead set, normally $1.75. These are Toho, size 8. So I've had for a long time, let me show you, this seed bead holder. And I haven't had it displayed for years, and it was just in my seed bead drawer, but I got all those seed beads last week, and I was like, you know what, let's just put it out so I can use the ones that I think I'll use the most. I'm going to kind of come out here. I put them in here. Now, do I think I'll use all of these all the time? No, because I don't really use small beads that much, but I'm trying to use them more. So like I said, I'm just putting ones that I think I'll use more out on my desk so I can see them, and I'm not digging around for them because I probably won't use them if I'm digging around for them. But anyway, that's neither here nor there for an unboxing. I just wanted to show you what I was talking about. So I got these Tohos. I think I got some other seed beads too, but we'll just have to find them as we go through the stuff. I got these. I'm pretty sure I have these in some color. They might even be this multicolor strand, but I think they're just turquoise. I just thought they were pretty cool. I until this year really wasn't into skulls, not that into them, but I appreciate them more than I did. And I just thought this was a cute little colorful thing, especially since we're in October and you're using skulls a little bit more. So they were $1. Everything was $1, so that's the explanation going forward why I got it. Next, just a little Zola Elements pendant. This is an arc cutout focal, 50 by 20. I think I got this in this color and gold. That'll go well with my tribal aesthetic. Or even check glass, I think. It's a bail. A silver tone brass pinch bail, 19 millimeter open work. Go with some cabochons or pendants drilled stones that I have, or even some of my polymer clay stuff. Next, these are teeny tiny, and I know I saw the size when I bought them, but I don't think I was paying attention to how teeny tiny. So true to check fire polished glass, faceted round beads, and I know they were tiny, so I was thinking about using them like in the place of a spacer bead, but my goodness, these are tinier than the seed beads I bought. You see those? These are faceted check. It's so crazy. They've got gold lined. They're so teeny tiny. I don't know what I'll do with those, but I have to use I don't even have glasses. I have to use like a magnifying glass to find those. So these are really pretty though. Sorry, I had to pause there. Somebody's car alarm started going off. A magnetic clasp, wrapped column design, 19 by 10. Sometimes magnetic clasps can be kind of expensive, and these are great for leather cord. How does this work? My nails are too long right now, and I have got to cut them before I do anything else. I honestly don't know how this works. Oh my gosh. Where is it open? Does it slide off? Oh, does it slide off? Why is this? I know I'm smarter than this, but I think this clasp. What? How does this work? So I still can't get this out. I think this part comes out of there, but it's not working with my fingers and gripping the metal. And I mean, I know my nails are long, but that's a little ridiculous. That's annoying. So I'll have to cut them and then figure out if I can get that out. Otherwise, the only way I can think about getting that undone is actually using it and then pulling it apart. But if it's faulty, who knows? Anyway, this is 2 yards of leather. So it was sold by the yard, but I didn't have anything in this really dark purple. Isn't that so yummy? Looks like, I don't like beets, but it looks like beets or berries or something. It looks so yummy. Here's another clasp. This one's magnetic too, so hopefully I can actually figure this one out. Yeah, this one's a little easier, so it goes like that. That's kind of cool. I love that. Very neat. Might antique that one. It's a little bright. Then we have silver tone vertical pin converter for a brooch. So I know I've seen a lot of brooches before that just don't have like a bail as well. So I got this for that. And I know I have a couple in my drawer. So I got one in silver and I'm pretty sure I got it in gold too. This is a Zola Elements Hammered Crescent Moon 23 millimeter. Oh, I love it. So pretty. I'll probably use that on, well, I'm not going to use it on earrings, but probably a bracelet. I need to, like I said in my video yesterday or the day before, I need to make more bracelets because I was the bracelet queen last year. And then this year I just like haven't been making them. I've been doing a lot of earrings and necklaces this year, I feel like. This is gorgeous. It's a Vintage Vogue pendant pattern leaf. Should have gotten 2 of those to make earrings, but you know, I don't wear them, so maybe that's a blessing in disguise that I only got one. We've got a little kitty, pewter charm spiral cat. Looks like her name is it Branch? Susan Branch? Is it Susan Branch? I can't remember. Looks like her cat's so pretty. I think this one's a tiara cast. I'm not 100% sure on that. And then I also got it in silver. Cute. These I'm not going to open because it's sealed. Bright copper plated rondelle beads, 3x2 millimeter. There's 144 pieces in there. Just tiny little spacers. Really liked those. I got some copper crimp covers, and then I ended up buying like a huge thing of crimp covers, knot covers, wire guards, and crimp tubes from Amazon. So I guess I don't really need these, but they'll last me. I've been out of copper for a while. Here's the silver version of that magnetic clasp. So it goes like that, and then goes back together like that. And then let's see what's in here. Ooh, these tri-cut seed beads, and these are Terra metallic something. I think I might have gotten 2 of these because I thought they looked really cool. They're check glass, but they look like brass. They look like African brass beads. So that's what I was thinking of using them with my like tribal designs and stuff like that. They're just gorgeous, and there's so many on here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm pretty sure I got 2 of those. I'll be really sad if I didn't. I did. Here's the other one. Woohoo! I'm so excited about that. Those are really like. And then here are more of those check fire polished glass beads, the really tiny ones. I'm just gonna get like 2 out because they're gonna. I'll end up losing them because they're really smaller than seed beads. Honestly. So tiny. I don't know how you can facet something so tiny. I love them though. And then I got, these are sealed, some antique brass ball head pins. Let's see, what are these called? Gold 22 karat gold plated liquid 2 beads. I just thought those would be nice spacers in something, especially something with like a nice gemstone that I just wanted to kind of downplay anything else. I wanted to, if I want to focus on the gemstone, I think that would be really good. More of those tri-cut seed beads, and this is in metallic gold. However, these say 12.0, so these are even smaller. My goodness, so tiny. I love them. They're almost like a rose gold color. Almost. They're not quite. Some 3mm faceted check glass rounds, fire polished, and they've got like that satin or that suede finish on them. They're nice, like metallic green. Really love those. Here's that Zola Elements pendant in gold. Love it. Love, love, love. What else? Just some head pins, some smaller brass or gold head pins. Figure for $1, it's worth it. Let's see. I think I got 2 of these because it was such a good deal. So they're earring hooks, ear wires, 25 pairs in stainless steel. So I thought that was a really, really good idea. So 50 in each. Although I'll have to count those because it just doesn't look like very many, but I bet you it is. It's just like, it just looks like there's 25 in each of these. Anyway, they're very cool. I don't really have a lot of stainless steel. I just have a lot of hypoallergenic plated stuff. So I think those are really neat. And then I got a few of these because I really liked them. So it's 4mm check glass in that satin. It's not really that satin finish, but it's really cute. It's got a nice finish on it. I love the colors. So more of those teeny tiny beads in a different color. So this one's, it's just going to be easier if I hold it there for you. Like a clear and half gold. Well, not clear, but a metallic and half gold. Here is the gold version of that pin bail. So you put the pin down through here, clasp it, and then you hang this on your piece. Some 3mm round matte and matte black and copper, matte black and metallic, I should say. Fire polish beads, very nice. 4mm faceted check glass beads. Lovely. These kind of glow. They're red, rose gold, and iridescent. AP. Very lovely. I love those. And last but not least, little hams. Oh, hams. My Midwest just popped out. Little Hamsa charm. Copper plated gold, or copper plated. So I think that's a tiara cast as well. I love it. Might go on a bracelet or a necklace. Who knows? Like I said, I've been in necklace mode. So my favorites. What are my favorites? Oh, this moon, the Hamsa, and these tri-cut beads are my favorites. But I really liked everything for $1 a pop. Really wasn't bad. Now I really like this too. So yeah, this sale is over. However, I just checked. Today's the 13th and October 13th, and they still had. They have a sale, like everything's 25% off or something. So they have really good sales all the time. I just haven't. Did you see that? I went back and tried again. Super easy if you can figure out which side it is. Hot Mess Express is what I'm going to change my channel name to. Oh my gosh. But anyway, yeah, it's not super easy, but if you know which side to grab, which you can't, there's no difference. Like, how am I supposed to tell that this side is the side that's going to come out if I don't know that it's going to come out? Also, it's not coming back out again. Anyway, we figured it out. Maybe not my favorite piece that I've ever bought. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Goldie. Goldie. What you doing, babe? Goldie. 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 Come here. Goldie. 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 Come here, baby. Goldie. Hey, sweetie. Hi. You just weren't listening. You were very sleepy, huh? You're such a good girl. Yeah. Mommy loves you.